All right, so Fabian Brown is what they call, or who they call, a sneaker artist. First me hear about a sneaker artist, still, to be honest, but he's here with us, and he will tell us definitely why he became one. Morning, friend. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning, Chief.
So you were part of the JCF for a long time, and you decided to leave and do this. Why?
Definitely. It's a passion. It's a passion of mine, so you try to trace your passion and do what you love. It will help you get up early in the morning and go to bed late. Yeah. And you will definitely succeed once you do that.
So where did you see this first, and why you chose this?
Actually, I saw it on YouTube. I did some traveling overseas, and I saw some friends of mine doing it as well. It's basically something that entails fun, as well as a niche of bringing forth life and culture and art on sneakers, which is rare. Yeah. You hardly see that. It's mostly on canvas or on
So paper. You were an artist before this, or is this?
Just an hobby. Just basically an hobby.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you did this?
Yes.
All of this?
Definitely.
And this was actually a white shoe?
Yes, that was a plain white Reebok Classic, and I changed it completely to a pink.
Yeah.
And
it's what? Paint? Is regular
yes,
paint?
Regular paint. We have the Angular
regular paint, or your special paint?
Special leather paint.
Special leather paint. So this won't wash off or nothing?
No. Definitely guaranteed to last.
And the ideas is just you come up with like...
Yes, people do come with their ideas, but most of the time it's based on me, on my own perception, and I'll ask the customer some questions just to feel out their personality. Yeah. And based on that or the occasion, I fulfill it.
When I was preparing for this, I thought first that is just white shoes you would have used, but you can use anything.
Any shoes.
Show me some. You can put something on this one?
Definitely, Chief.
Yeah, show me some.
All right, so as you can see, this is a plain white Air Force One. I brought this one especially to point out something that normally Air Force, the base midsole normally becomes yellow after washing. So that's the most problem with Air Force, and we do have products that can deoxide it and de-yellow the whole thing. But
so that would take off the yellow?
Take off the yellow, based on different apply of coats. But the first thing we do, which is the main thing, is prepare the item for painting.
Right down with, you know, so
definitely.
while you talk, you have your work.
Right, so we prepare.
So you just clean it off, basically?
Yes, so we always use our gloves because some of the chemicals may or may not affect you, but if not, then you can go ahead and freestyle. So you see here, so we find the deglazer, which takes off the factory finish of the product.
Takes off the factory finish?
Yes, because all sneakers comes with factory finish.
All right.
So we take off the factory finish and ensure that it's off. Clean it up real properly. Yeah, normally the preparation takes 10 to 15 minutes, but for this, we don't have this time. So I'll already pre-prep, right?
Yeah.
So after we prepare, we deglaze, and say for instance, any favorite color, Neville?
Yeah, pink.
Pink. All right, so we'll go for the pink there, all right? So normally we will add the dollar because some paint come with a glossy sheen finish. Yeah. So we'll add the dollar to it to ensure, so I've already pre-prepped this one here, to ensure that it doesn't give you that glossy sheen. And then basically what we'll do is to ensure that we give that nice brush clean stripe to eliminate that brush stroke. But you do not watch the first application of the paint because you will definitely see that it's not applying to how the finishing product would look. So what you will do, you'll allow it to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you do have a heat gun, it will speed up the process. And what you'll do, you'll just repeat the coats 2 to 3 or 4 times and allow it to dry.
No, that was done perfectly, but what would have happened if you did get the pink and somewhere? You can just wipe it off easily?
Yes, basically. Or what we will normally do is tape off the entire region that we don't want to be painted.
So almost like them do a car like that.
Basically. Yeah. And then you will just go ahead and paint it. But if you do not paint it off, if you freestyle like me and it should go over, what we will do, we'll just go ahead with the same deglazer and we'll just remove it. So preferring circular motion, so that's when it starts to spread and you start to do it again, you will end up taking it off. Beautiful. Right? So once that is finished and you put the amount of layers based on the design, and you will continue putting on layers and layers. So 2 to 3 layers based on the colors, because brighter colors will take brighter colors on On less brighter colors, we take probably less.
So you said like 15 minutes. So overall, from start to finish, how long it would take you?
Overall, from start to finish, around probably 2 to 3, 4 hours, based on that, and that's just one
That's
foot.
just 1 foot?
Yes.
But a lot of that would just be drying time, though.
Drying time, yes.
So how long would it take you to do the design?
So basically, to do the design completely, finishing and everything, it will take me at least a week.
Okay, a week. Wow. So it's plenty of work.
It's plenty of work because the dry time in between, you have to ensure that it's dry, it's properly dry.
All right, so you would buy up plain sneakers and do this, and then how much you sell it back for?
All right, so normally I've just started, so I will just ask the consumer to bring the sneakers and then charge based on the design. But now we're gearing towards getting merch and merchandise on the internet.
How much you charge?
So for a design like this, I charge normally 4,000 Jamaican dollars for a design like this.
I'm glad I'm Jamaican. Yeah. I was going to make you do something, but the people themselves must love my shoes.
That's okay, man. You can definitely...
I was going to make you start out.
You can definitely... Because we do delivery. We do delivery by Knoxford Express and Zipmail, yes.
How they find you?
So you can find me on Instagram, which is Fabi_Customs Footwear.
Fabi?
Fabi, F-A-B-I, _Customs Footwear and Apparel. Or you can contact me at 1-876-282-2028.
Good to see you.
Definitely.
I like your stuff.
Thank you.
And your hands celebration. You never go over one piece of that. Your hands very steady. Good stuff.
Definitely.
And good to meet you.
All right.
Look
Nice to
after
meet you too.
Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Fabian Brown, and they call him a sneaker artist. So I do have a sneaker, or I would make him do something. We're going to take a break. More on Smile when we come back. Stay with us, please.